everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha and this is PeepSo Feature Highlights. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at the TutorLMS integration. This integration has been released a couple of months ago, and it will allow you to connect PeepSo with TutorLMS. TutorLMS is the third-party plugin, obviously, that will allow you to create e-learning courses and even sell them if you wish. It integrates with WooCommerce, Paid Membership Pro, many different plugins, and now you can integrate it with PeepSo as well. So the purpose of this video is not to teach you how to use TutorLMS. So I will assume you already have TutorLMS installed on your website and you are already creating courses and let people enroll in them and all that good stuff. I'm just going to show you how to add PeepSo integration on top of it and how to configure it. Okay, so let's get started with it. Before we proceed though, a small disclaimer is in order. During this video, you are going to see me going through many TutorLMS configuration options. And it is important for you to understand that we did not develop this plugin. You will have to use at least free version of TutorLMS, and all of the features showing here are completed with the free version of this plugin. However, if you have problem configuring any of these options over here, please contact the respective developer of TutorLMS. We did not develop this plugin, it's a third-party software. We can only help you with specific PeepSo integration plugin that once installed, it will show up here in PeepSo configuration. And here it is, TutorLMS. So if you have issues with these options over here, sure, you can contact us. We will be more than happy to help you out. But if you have problems configuring TutorLMS, please contact the TutorLMS developer. Okay, so assuming you already have TutorLMS installed on your website, to install the integration, you will go to PeepSo, then Installer, wait for your license to be checked, and once it is, you will scroll all the way down until you find the TutorLMS integration. Click on Install, wait for it to be downloaded, and once it is, simply click on Activate. Now, this plugin is only available for Ultimate Bundle package members, so if you use free version or free bundle, this will not be available to you. So you will have to upgrade to PeepSo Ultimate Bundle in order to use the TutorLMS integration. Now that our plugin is downloaded and activated, we can find the configuration here in PeepSo configuration, and it should show up here. If it didn't show up, simply save the settings. You will see your licenses over here. Save the settings in the license key configuration, and the TutorLMS will show up. Now that the integration plugin is properly installed, we can switch to TutorLMS tab and see what are all of the options that we have here. Let's first check the profiles, and later on we will move to the right side and see the activity streams and chat integration and advanced options. When the profiles option is enabled, like this, a new tab with courses will be shown in the user profile. So let's save these settings, and to check it, we can go to the community, either open your own profile or profile of a different user, and you will see the new tab displayed over here. Switching to it will show all the courses that this user have enrolled in. We can hide the courses in this optional setting over here using the ID of the course. And if you don't know what is the ID of the course, you can easily find out by going to TutorLMS, then courses. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Open any course you want to hide and you can find the post ID is 650 for this particular one. So I'm going to use that number and paste it here. Save the settings, refresh his courses page, and now learn how to play piano will not be displayed in his profile, although he already enrolled in that course. So that is how you hide the specific courses if you want. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to display all of the courses that users have enrolled in. Let's refresh the page. And now we can see that this Learn How to Play Piano course is displayed in his profile. Two-column layout option will do exactly that. We'll change this into two-column layout. So let's check it. Let's enable this, save the settings, refresh the page, and now list of all of the courses is displayed in two columns. We can change the height if you wish. Box height, that's the entire box. We can display titles, description, and aggressive shortcode removal. So if there is any shortcode in the description here, we will try to aggressively remove it. All right. Now, featured image, we can choose to not show them at all. Let's display titles. And we can reposition the display image because right now it's showing to the left of the post, but we can change it to the top, save the settings, and now let's see how it looks. It's not showing displayed image because I forgot to enable it, but if we do enable it, now it's going to show them on top of the box. Okay, so you have a freedom to choose how you wish to display your courses in the profile itself. You can either opt for two-column layout, you can choose to display titles or not, and then you can have the featured images. And this placeholder over here will force displaying the image when there is no featured image in the course. Let's go back to all the courses in TutorLMS. And as you can see here, I deliberately made this nutrition and cooking course without the featured image. All right. So if I enable this placeholder option, actually disable it and save the settings, now when I refresh the page, the courses without featured image will not display featured image. But if I force the placeholder, it will display the placeholder image instead. Okay, so I strongly encourage you to play around with these settings. Let's change it to one-column layout. I'm going to display course titles, show featured image, but this time I am going to move them to the left, save the settings, refresh this page, and now this is going to look a little bit different. Let's now switch to the right-hand side of the options, and here we can find the activity stream that will be created when user enrolled in a course and when user completed a course. You can disable or enable them both. You can change the action text, and action text is completed or enrolled in a course. So let's copy that just for you to see how it's going to be different. Let's change the course word to tutorial. And let's change completed course into completed tutorial and save the settings. Now if we refresh the page, all of the existing activity streams regarding completion and enrolling will also change the action text. This is useful if you use languages other than English or simply want to be unique and create something different that will suit your style. Okay, so that is how you enable or even disable, if you wish, activity streams when user enroll a course and user complete a course. And this chat integration will only work when a chat plugin is installed, obviously, and it will show up here if you go to the list of all courses and then find the one that you didn't enroll yet. So let's start learning this introduction to haptics. And here in the course itself, I can start a chat with admin who created this course. Okay, clicking this will open the chat with admin. I can disable that option. Let's disable chat integration. Let's refresh this page. And now there is no chat button available anymore. Finally, we can tackle some advanced options in the integration. If you want to change the profile label, similarly as we changed the action text for the activity stream, you can also change the profile label. So instead of displaying courses over here, it is going to display something different. Let's say tutorials maybe. Save the settings, refresh the page, and now it's going to display tutorials. Likewise, you can change the icon if you have the custom icon CSS class. You can add it here and the custom icon will be displayed. And you can change the profile slot if you wish. So when you switch to tutorials, you see the profile slot is courses. Let's change that to tutorials as well. Save the settings. Now I cannot refresh this page. I need to go away from it. Let's go back to community. Open my profile. Click on tutorials tab. And now you will see that slot is not courses anymore, but tutorials. So a certain level of customization is also available for profile slots, labels, and icons. Let's save the settings, revert them as they were, because this was just for the testing purposes. And if you thought that is all there is to integration, you will be wrong. There is more. And more options can be found in the course itself, but only if you use the groups plugin. So if you use the groups plugin, you can go to TutorLMS, then courses, either create a new course or edit the existing one. Let's edit this one, learn how to play piano. Scroll all the way down, and now you can find the related groups. You can choose this piano players group to be a related group, and you can also add all the people who enroll into this course into this group. Let's update the course. Go back to the settings. I'm just going to switch to a different user so I can enroll. Let's choose this one, for example. Now as this user, I am going to enroll this course, and I'm also going to open a group or groups. Let's open this one. You see, it's asking me to join. but because in the configuration we said you are going to join this group as soon as you enroll this course, let's switch it like this. So you, Daniel, are going to join this group as soon as you enroll this course. So let's enroll it. Now refresh this page. And Daniel is the member of this group now. Okay, I'm gonna switch back to my admin account, go back to WordPress dashboard, TutorLMS courses, learn how to play piano, and then course enrolled piano players. But what happened with the related groups and piano players? Where is that displayed? Okay, let me show you. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Now open Appearance, Widgets. Find the position where you want to display the widget. Let's say in sidebar right. Click on a plus sign and search for Tutor. And here's the PeepSo TutorLMS courses widget. Courses and groups integration. Okay, I'm just going to move it to the top. Update the widgets page. Then when I go back to my community, you will see that this widget is not going to be displayed in the community itself or any other page. But when I open the group that is related to the course, and that's the piano players, now the widget is going to be displayed and saying courses related to this group is Learn How to Play Piano course. Okay, so this widget is only going to be shown in group, and you can display the related courses for these groups, for this particular group. So I added the members in it automatically, and now I'm displaying the courses related to this group as well. One last integration option is adding the icons or VIP icons to the users when they finish the course. So once again, let's edit Learn How to Play Piano. Scroll all the way down and you will see the options for PeepSo VIP automation, course completed. So once the course is completed, the icon will be rewarded. But these are all the default icons, so let's first create our own. To do that, go back to the PeepSo, then Manage, VIP icons, add new, and here we can change the icon. Let's update upload the new one. Let's choose this one, for example. Select it. You can change the name of it if you wish. And let's change the icon description. Save it. Now, let's go back to the TutorLMS courses. Learn how to play piano. Scroll all the way down. Choose this icon when the course is complete and update your course. Now, when user goes and completes this course, he will be awarded with the icon we just selected. Let's try to put this into practice. Okay, I'm going to go back to my all users and switch the user just to make it more interesting. Let's switch to this one. Now open the pages with the courses, enroll the course, and I'm immediately going to complete it. Okay, so now once I completed the course, the icon is displayed here. It is not displayed here immediately. Oh, here it is. It is just a caching issue, but if you don't see it immediately, simply refresh the page and it will be displayed with a little delay, but that depends on how fast your server is. But the point is, now Larry Freeman completed the course and it's got the new icon next to his name. And that covers the entire PeepSo integration with TutorLMS. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified whenever new video comes out. Don't forget to follow us on social media, we are present there as well. Links will be in the description below. Until the next video, I wish you all the best. Bye!